My wife says the GHD Curve Wand Creative Curl is one of the best hair tools she ever used. The end result is lovely, provided someone can help you to do the back. You can create beach waves and smaller curls, but nailing the technique takes a lot of time. It can only be used on dry hair, so works well if you are on the go and want to give your hair a bit of body. There are few good reasons to buy it. It requires no accessories. It creates healthy looking waves and curls. It also gives the thin and dull hair an instant lift. And it has a slim fitting, so easy to take away with you. There are also few things to be aware of. The heat is so intense you can easily burn yourself if not used correctly. Especially for the beginners, it is tricky to master and it requires some practice. As I mentioned earlier, it is difficult to style the back of your hair. One of the several hair curling products from the brand, it's a great one for anyone who wants to create a wave in their hair without the need for any additional accessories. The wand can create bouncy curls and waves, but we found tight ringlets were difficult to achieve. It heats up to its maximum temperature of 185 degrees Celsius very quickly, beeping to let you know when it's done, and it claims not to damage hair. The GHD wand is very slim fitting, so it's easy to handle and it's small enough to take on your travels. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.